Here's how to fix TikTok video under review issue. So the first option is to obviously wait for TikTok to complete its review because it has an automatic system that reviews posted videos to ensure that they comply with community guidelines. So this process usually takes between few minutes up to several hours, and in rare cases it might even take 2 days or more. And for the second option is to check your posted video and make sure it doesn't contain any violations like nudity or inappropriate content or content that may have hate speech or violence or copyrighted music. You can also get in trouble for buying fake engagements or views. And the third option is to edit your video, remove any flagged content, use different hashtags, maybe do some other edits and then re-upload the video or repost it. And the final option is to contact TikTok support and make sure you describe the issue and tell them it's taken so long for the review process, and they will reply to you back explaining what is the problem. And then finally, keep in mind that you should maintain a good account standing and avoid frequent violations on TikTok to keep your account safe and avoid getting banned. And always post original and safe high quality content. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.